Today we are at Tata Steel Netherlands rolling out PSI on Cold Mill 21. Cold Mill 21 is an important installation and new functionalities were needed to get the steel coils produced for our customers at the right quality, at the right quantity and at the right moment. Smart Steel Factory is a collaboration between PSI, Tata Consultancy Services and Tata Steel Netherlands.
I think the last big implementation was 2 years back, and effectively I think in 1.5 years time we implemented this part of the SSF program, which is quite an achievement. So I think if you do a comparison with the previous implementation, we were maybe even 50% faster. And I think one of the key ingredients of that was working closely with TCS and PSI in the design phase.
We as Tata Steel, we have our requirements. We have the architects to make the solution direction. Then PSI is working on the designs that TCS made. PSI builds stuff. TCS is self-building a lot of stuff. Then it comes together and then we do testing.
Well, I'm the product owner for Cold Mill 21. And that's the installation we have taken live in this drop 1 go live. And we all need to work together to get order scheduler and MES and line scheduler, all those different technologies working seamlessly together.
And we also need to be able to schedule a line, although the material is not immediately in front of it, because the hole before it is very small. So we do what we call a forecasted scheduling. We already schedule coils that are in the phase earlier for the cold mill.
I think this implementation was important because we changed the data model we are using. So we have implemented now the joint coil data model, which enables production lots of flexibility on core part level to run and optimize production.
I've largely been involved in the joined coils implementation and also bug fixes before the drop.
At the beginning I was deeply involved in the joint coil implementation and the testing of the first delivery from ComExe on this. And then let's say we have more or less, we have 3 streams where one part is more on perf topics, others are more on scheduling topics, and the third part is on quality. So I'm mainly responsible for the quality topic.
All those processes we call deviation management, which is supported by the PSI solution. For example, if you need to repair a coil, and one of the most complex processes we do is the test management. So we take samples of the end product, send it to the lab, do a lot of mechanical tests to see if it fits the customer requirements, and if it is okay, it can be dispatched to the client, and that's all supported by the PSI quality processes.
I'm a quality engineer at Cold Mill and using PSI since last week when we went live within drop 1. This is the screen I work mostly within. Here I can find the coils that are blocked between the pickle line and the Cold Mill. And for each coil I can check what the defects are and where they are rejected or blocked for.
So it's just serial. It's just wonderful. The bonding we have, the team spirit we have across the teams, and the vibe, the adrenaline rush that we get during the go live period is like this is something from a different world, and it's really great. It's a big achievement, not only personally for myself but also for the team, I feel, where we are part of this biggest transformation project.
The entire team has worked as one team, yes, with thorough dedication, lot of effort, and we all are proud of you as one team. Okay, thank you so much to the entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I'm sure in such a kind of transformation program, there are some rocky time comes up, and when we stand together with the day we are in here for today.
Now we are a team cover, and now we have to find a way to make up. And we did. And you did as a team as well. And I think this is something beautiful about this process and this team and this project, is that at all levels, in the 3 and the 4 organizations, we have, I think, a very good collaboration and a high level of trust and, I say, openness to each other.
I'm grateful for being here with my team and witnessing a very good go live, very much under control with no major problems, and that shows that we have prepared it very well.
I feel like we are having the same energy, the same spirit. We are optimistic. We are helping each other. We share the knowledge. So every person counts in those teams. So it's great feeling, and yeah, I am very proud and happy to be a part of all these teams.
Huge go live, huge milestone for PSI, for TCS, and also for Tata Steel. And so, yeah, fantastic congratulations to the teams. You made a great job. Thank you very much.